In this video we will look at the top 5 best massage tables available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updates pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Yahitech Massage Table. The portable spa bed features a removable headrest, a swing hand pallet and 2 rectangle arm rests. You can put your hands on the hand pallet when lying face down on the massage table. Your heated folding massage table guarantees your maximum rest and comfort needed for a relaxing massage. The headrest also face cradle is removable if you do not need it. It has a unique adjustable backrest that allows you to sit up and relax after a massage session. This adjustable massage table is made of a combination of many alloys and charred wood tables and a soft cushion covered with PVC leather material, which gives you have a comfortable experience in a durable service. It is easy to set up and close the spa bed due to its foldable design. The lightweight and foldable designs make it ideal for carrying it. Also, no tools are required for setting up. No matter what you want for home use or to take it out, this portable spa couch can fill up your requirements. It's also foldable and portable. The whole massage bed can be folded into a portable case with clasp blocks. If you want for home use, the folding design is also useful for saving space when the bed is not in use. Number 4. Sierra Comfort Portable Massage Table. The Sierra Comfort Portable Massage Table is another premium table fit for professional massage therapists. It looks different from other massage tables and it has a really good build. This massage table is made with 2 high-density foam deck/water and oil-resistant PU leather upholstery, yet durable design. The adjustable table height includes 9 points of adjustment ranging from 25.5 to 33.5 and 31 pounds/400 pounds working weight capacity. It comes with a full package set of accessories. Face cradle, face cushion, she said, threaded support bar. It also provides a 2-year limited warranty on massage tables, which gives you free rein to use it. If you face any problems by using Sierra Comfort, will replace or repair it. Number 3. Earthlite Portable Massage Table. This massage table uses beech wood frames which are smoother and sturdier than the ordinary wood. This massage bed is made of reinforced hardwood with sturdy steel support cables and all-around great portable massage table, an unmatchable price than you will go for Earthlite. The high-quality beech wood frame ensures stability when this massage table is set up. It's sturdy and attractive, it's made from comfortable sponge padding and PVC leather, and it's easy to adjust and pack up. Top-grade durability and comfort level. This bed is also waterproof and oil-proof. Most attractive thing about this table is the size. Moreover, it only takes a few minutes to set up and close this massage bed. The massage table is easy to carry around, especially for mobile therapists due to foldable design. Height of this massage table can be adjusted for your needs, so it would be a great choice for you. Number 2. Saloniture Professional Portable Folding Massage Table. If you are looking for a best massage table, the Saloniture massage table makes it easy to match your table with your decor to nail whatever look you're going for. Table features deluxe cushioning, providing the ultimate comfort for your clients. Precision crafted of premium grade materials, this professional massage table features a hardwood frame and durable steel support cables designed to accommodate a maximum weight capacity up to 450 pounds. The adjustable headrest features a premium composite support resistant to bending and warping. Another good thing about this massage table is that it's very durable. Lightweight yet sturdy construction in a streamlined fold and carry design makes setting up and breaking down a breeze, so it's fairly easy to transport. Basically, you get all features you need in a customizable package. It is also oil and waterproof to resist stains. Number 1. Best Massage Portable Massage Table. This bed has everything you need to give or receive great massages, and it goes for less than half the cost of most other tables. The portable massage table by Best Massage is exceptionally strong and extremely comfortable. This massage table is with an adjustable height and 2-fold massage table. It also comes with height-adjustable knobs on the feet so you can easily change the height from 24 to 34 inches. Ben folds up easily and tucks into a carrying bag included with purchase. This massage table is about 29 pounds. This massage bed does not require any tools. If you're looking for a finest massage table, the portable massage bed by Best Massage is an excellent buy. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.